Bling!
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Thanks for joining me here again, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Lyle from Lyle Lyle Crocodile. So I'm going to start drawing Lyle. I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to do an upside down U, and then a little bottom to it that connects to both ends here, and then a rounded shape inside, a little circle here, and then I'm going to do like another great big U shape, and then color that great big U shape in all black. Alright, so next I'm going to do kind of like an upside down U on top of that eye. And now I'm going to come on over, do like a little hill, and work on the other eye. So we've got another hill here, and I'm gonna make a little shape right here like that, and then another eye like this, and then we're going to do the inside of the eye very similar to how we did this one. So we can do that same upside down U. So we do that same upside down U shape and a little circle inside and another great big U shape inside, and color that all black. And now let's do a little bit of a cheek right here. And over here, we're going to do a little bump and then a little bit of a cheek, like that. And right here, let's do a little bit of a nose. So I did it like a little hill. And now, underneath that, we can start working on the mouth. So I'm going to do a funny little shape like that, and then curve it on up, and kind of make it connect to that nose we did. And I'm going to do two little dots there for little nostrils. And now this right here, we can come on up and come on down and up and down and all the way to here. Alright, so now I'm going to do a little curve right here and connect our little smile line to right there. And right here, let's work on the bottom of the mouth. And I'm going to do a line right here and right here. This is the bottom of the mouth here. And I'm going to put a line right here and connect it to right there. Now let's do some teeth. He's got lots and lots of teeth. Of course he does. He's a crocodile. So you can do lots of these little triangle shapes, and maybe some are big, maybe some are small. It's up to you. And let's see. Let's do a little line right here and another one right there. This one's way longer. And a line right here. I'm going to color this part in all black. It's just part of the mouth that's not getting very much light. And same with right here. And this part here is going to be the tongue. Alright, next let's do a bit of a neck here, and let's do that scarf. So I'm going to put a curved line right there, and right here we're going to do like a little knot where the scarf is tied. And then we can do a little shape right here like that, and then come on over back to that knot. And on this side, we're going to do a little bit of the scarf there. You don't see as much. And now let's do the two ends of the scarf. So 1 and 2. And we can do little lines on the end of the scarf on each end. There we go, just like little fringes on the ends of the scarf. And now let's do an arm. So there's a little bit of a shoulder here. And a line here. And we got a little spot here for an elbow. And we can bring an arm down right here. And I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little crocodile fingers. And now right here, let's work on a bit of the back and bring this all the way down. And right here, bring a line down. And maybe I'll have his other arm up here and I'll have him kind of waving. So we can have one little crocodile finger. This is actually the thumb. And another, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And bring this down to the elbow, and then bring this part down closer to the body. And now we need to see a bit of the tail. So let's see. I'm gonna start right here and bring this on up and out this way. And we'll see a little pointed part here for the point, the end of it, and curve along, and it's getting thicker the closer it is to the body. And the furthest part away from the body, the tip, is of course itty bitty, not very thick. And now let's do some little spiky bits here going along. So these are just kind of like little triangles, or if you're doing it this way, they look like little V's. And I'm gonna do some more. And here along the side, I'm gonna do just some little lines. Kind of helps to show a bit of texture. Of course, he's a crocodile, so he's got some rough skin. So I'm just doing some little bits, kind of branching off of those lines. And I'll put some along here on the arm as well. Now, of course, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. It's all up to you. Just putting in a few. And some here on the neck. And on the tail. Alright, so I'm done the drawing, and now I'm going to get started with some color. Alright everyone, that's it for our drawing of Lyle. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever our next doodle is going to be. Alright everyone, goodbye!